how to convert an Excel file into PDF. So there are two ways to do that. So the first one is to simply open Excel, then simply go to your page layout after you open your file, then simply go to page setup, and then here what you're gonna have to do is first of all go to page and then choose landscape and then choose fit to and then leave it like this. Now the next step is to simply go to margins, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply select horizontally like this and then click OK. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to file, then click on save as, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose PDF, and basically that's all you have to do. Now the next way to do that is to simply open any browser and then simply search convert Excel to PDF. Then simply go here and click on the second link, which is this one here. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply select your Excel file and then click on convert here. And then basically you're gonna have to simply wait, and that's all. Now we can download our Excel file as PDF. And as you can see, if we open it, we have here our PDF file. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.